Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today we are going to make some indulgent choco rumballs, especially popular during Christmas time, although you can make them any time of the year as you desire. Now, to make the choco rumballs, these are the ingredients that you require. Now first I have taken here chocolate cake crumbs. Here these chocolate cake crumbs which I have taken are my leftover chocolate cake crumbs. As I'm decorating the cake, the top layers and the sides I have removed and cut them and I have crumbed them. You can also use the plain one. Just add cocoa powder in that. Now to make the rum balls, I have taken about 1 kg of the chocolate cake crumbs and 125 grams of dark chocolate compound. You can use chocolate also. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 100 grams of candied fruits or the tutti frutti. A pinch of cloves powder. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 100 ml of spicy rum and toasted cashew nuts finely chopped. Now let's mix the dry ingredients first. Although traditionally rum balls are made with biscuit crumbs, but if you have a leftover cake in your fridge, quite old, become dry, then this is the best recipe to make use of that cake instead of just throwing away. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet or just new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel now and please do press the bell icon for the notification of all my new recipes. At this stage, add the nutmeg, the cloves and the cinnamon powder and mix them thoroughly well. Now here I have toasted cashew nuts which I finely chopped, but you can use any nuts which you have at hand, not necessarily cashew nuts. Any nuts of your preference, but just make sure that you slightly toast them to enhance their flavor. Add the fruits, mix the fruits as well. Now add the rum to it. The more the merrier, but not so much that the cake crumbs become soggy. Mix it well. Now to give the binding to the rum balls, add this melted butter, mix it well and keep it aside. Till then, let's melt this chocolate. I am melting it on a double boiler. You can melt it in your microwave as well. To melt the chocolate, finely chop the chocolate so that it melts faster. Friends, if you like watching my videos, please press the thumbs up to like my videos and do share it with your friends and family. And do subscribe to Melita's Delicacies. My water is boiling. Just keep this over there. Just make sure that your vessel, the bowl that you are using does not touch the water. My chocolate is almost melted. I don't want the chocolate to be very runny. I just want the chocolate to be melted, just enough that the chocolate helps me to bind the cake crumbs. Just add this chocolate into the cake mixture so that it gives that perfect binding to the cake crumbs. Mix them thoroughly well. Now it's time to mess up your hands and nicely mesh up all the mixture and bring it to a combine in a dough kind of a consistency. See, this is perfect now. If you feel like it is still dry, add some more melted chocolate or add some more butter, or you can add some honey as well. Make the balls of the size which you prefer. Friends, I'm sure by now you have made the wish list of the Christmas sweets that you want to make this Christmas season, and Choco Rum Balls is one such easy recipe that you can make just even at the last minute if you just have these few ingredients at hand. And a leftover cake crumbs is the best thing. And even if you don't have the cake crumbs, you can always buy a dry cake from the store, or you can use even the crumbs of any chocolate biscuits like the bourbon or even the Mary biscuit crumbs. Anything will do for the rum balls. One interesting thing about the rum balls, besides being very easy to make, is they actually taste much better as they age. So don't hesitate to make them weeks in advance and keep them, because as they mature, they will taste much better. Our temptatious rum balls are ready to devour upon. You can eat them right now, and I'm drooling. But to make them more presentable and more festive, I'm going to coat them or dip them into melted chocolate. But if you want to serve them as they are, you can coat them in desiccated coconut, or you can coat them with in cocoa powder or in sugar powder, or you just put them in paper liners and serve them, or to add in your Christmas goodies tray or the box. Now, to coat the rum balls in the melted chocolate, before that you need to refrigerate them for about an hour. Here I am taking Amul dark compound, and I have taken about 150 grams of it. Finely chop it as I had shown earlier, and using the double boiler method. Friends, I suppose you have by now watched my Christmas fruit soaking recipe, and you have soaked your fruits already. Be tuned to Melita's Delicacies for the Christmas cake recipe coming up in 2 weeks' time. Remember, when I was melting the chocolate for the mixture, I did not make the chocolate very runny. But right now, to dip the rum balls, I am making it a little more runny. Now just take your rum ball and coat them with the chocolate, and I am going to place them in these liners. Friends, I'm giving a link of my other recipes, Christmas related recipes, in the description box. Please click on and watch them as well. And friends, thank you for watching Melita's Delicacies. Keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more interesting videos that I upload every week. If you do not want your liners to be messy, you can place them on the parchment paper, and after the chocolate hardens, then you can place them. Garnish them or decorate them with some sprinkles. Aren't the rum balls looking really festive? Friends, please do try this very easy but indulgent Choco Rum Ball recipe at your home. And if you try my recipe, please give me a feedback in my comment section, and also post your photograph in the Facebook and tag Melita's Delicacies to it. I would love to see you. Thank you for watching this recipe till the end. God bless. Keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more Christmassy recipes coming this Christmas season. The rum balls are ready to devour. and I just can't wait to do the taste test. If you use these liners, they become so perfect to put in your goodie box. Oh wow, they are so really indulgent and rich in rum. I'm really feeling like Christmas is just today. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you. God bless.